can always choose to be kind.
Hey guys, it's Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's B-Kind Craftisode. We're going to make Nora's hat and hair extension. These are the instructions that come with the doll in the package. So here's Nora and her little puppy Nugget. We have her hat here and the materials for the hair extension. I also have some tape because I like to tape down the top piece. So let's get started. So I'm going to tape it down so that it doesn't move while I'm braiding it. I'm going to braid to about here, and now I'm going to put on some of the beads. It might be challenging to get all 3 strings through the beads, so you don't have to. You could just put 1 or 2 strings through, and then you could add on a few more beads, or you could keep on braiding. I'm gonna add on this star, super cute. So I'm going to put it back under the tape so that I can keep braiding. And you don't even have to do a braid. You could do a twist, you could just put the beads on and tie it at the end. But I like doing a braid here. And now I'm gonna add the other beads. So this next step is to tie a knot at the end so that it all stays in place. Now these other beads are also clips, so we can undo them, and you can even clip them directly onto Nora's hair. And I'm gonna put one of these beads onto our hair extension up here. And I think I'll put the other one on the other side. Now let's try on her hair extension. Aw, so cute. Now let's try it in my hair. What do you think? Now let's decorate her hat. We get to put stickers on it. And if you have other stickers from home, you could totally use those to decorate it too. This one says, "Be brave." Now let's try on her hat. Aw, her hat looks so cute. Thanks for making this cool hat and hair extension with me today, Nora. This Craftisode has been so fun. Thanks for joining. And remember, you can always choose to be kind.